Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on the screen. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on the screen. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on the screen. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on the screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on the screen. Yeah. All right. Now check it. What we what we completed there in the last session. What we understand there. I think so. We are discussing about primary key generation algorithms. In a primary key generation algorithms, what we completed there. Right, sir. Now here, what mechanism here we have used there? Now try to observe this clearly. Seek we hello algorithm here we provided here. Am I right or not? After that here what we completed here, seek we hello algorithm here we completed. Am I right? Seek we hello algorithm here we provided. After completion of this seek hello algorithm, what next one here we are going to perform there? Right, sir. What next one here we have to perform there? Select algorithm. What is the select algorithm there clearly? Right, sir. It able to generate primary key value on the basis of the underlying database. On the basis of the underlying database provided triggers. Right, sir. Now it's totally depending on what their database provided triggers. Triggers concept is going to be utilized. Okay, fine. Then what it able to provide there? It is able to provide primary key value of the types like what they're int, long, and so on. Okay, this is another point. Data types are like what they're int, float, long, and that we can able to provide. No, all right. It is able to have a short name, sequence, It's able to have the short name like what there, not sequence guys, select, I think so. Select is a short name. We can understand it clearly. Its class name, it is represented in the form of the class arg dot hibernate dot id dot select generator. It is represented in the form of the class arg dot hibernate dot id dot select generator. Okay. Next one is it is taking a parameter like what there trigger related parameter like what the trigger related here now. All right, sir. It is able to be supported. It will be supported by all the databases. It will be supported by. It will be supported by all the databases which are supporting triggers. Anyway, guys, now it is somewhat dependent on the triggers, no? So not required for us. Max, we can leave this one. Not required to utilize this in our applications also. But it's somewhat related with the triggers. That's why here we are not going to use this mechanism there clearly. Okay, right. Sir. Then after that, after completion of this, after carefully, guys, one more algorithm. I think so. We missed it. One more algorithm here we missed it here. What is that algorithm here we missed it here? Native algorithm here we missed it. That is also required, guys. Guys, now please check it. Have I discussed anything about this native algorithm? Have I discussed anything about this native here? No. I think so. We have not discussed about this native. Native is required for us actually. Okay. Guys, just give a minute of time. I'll discuss about this native. Right, guys. And a native algorithm. Then what is the meaning of this native here? Observe carefully. It is able to generate primary key value on the basis of on the basis of the underlying database supported, on the basis of the underlying database supported primary key generation algorithm. Guys, observe carefully. It is able to generate primary key value on the basis of the underlying database supported primary key generation algorithm. This is the point here I'm telling there clearly. Okay. Next one is after that. What is the meaning of it? No. Here we have some points there clearly. What are the points are available here? No. Understand? No. The points will be if we use Oracle database, guys observe carefully. If we use Oracle database, then it will select sequence algorithm. Okay. Sequence algorithm it will take that. If we use like for their Oracle database. Answer my point here now. Right, sir. If we use answer my point here. If we use MySQL database, then it will select identity algorithm. Identity algorithm if we use like for their MySQL database. Okay. Then for example, if we use some other database which is not supporting sequence or identity column, then it will use table hello generated. Alright, now here we are going to see some examples here. Try to understand this clearly. First of all, I want to go for like what there. This is like what I'm telling to you, native with Oracle. Native with Oracle here I'm going to use there. If you are using Oracle here, then internally it will select what their sequence. By default, it will search for what their hibernate underscore sequence. Already we created that. As per that only, it able to generate the values. Let's say this one. Now this is like what there. Delete from EMP1. Select star from EMP1. Okay. Right. So native here we provided. Oracle database here we are using. Now try to observe this clearly. Oracle database. So definitely here what we are able to get there. It able to use what their sequence generator. Sequence generation it able to provide. Hibernate underscore sequence it will search there. It's the default sequence name. So inserted successful. That's okay, fine. For example, if I use MySQL database, if I use MySQL database, what we will do there? Alright, so now the same mechanism in MySQL database here we have to check there. Delete from EMP1, commit, select star from EMP1. Alright, so MySQL database now. Then I want to run this example. That's okay, but actual reason is what there? Generic JDB's exception, default value. Okay, field N word doesn't have a default value. That's okay, fine. Now, identity column. Then here, what I have to use there? 1 minute, guys. Listen carefully. 1 minute, 1 minute. What's the table name here? We provided there no EMP1 table here. We have to provide. So, for example, if it is an EMP1 table there, MySQL, what we have to do there? Drop table EMP1. What happened? What happened? Auto increment is required for us. That we have not provided there actually. That's why here I want to drop it. Drop table EMP1. Why it is not dropped, sir? Where? Why it is not dropped here? Not else might be then. Okay, say for example, create table EMP10 ENO into 5 primary key auto increment ename char of 10 is a float of 5 EADDR char of 10. What happened? There is a problem there. Yeah, created. Query is created here. That's okay, fine. Commit. All right. Now in my application here, I have to change what there. Table name EMP10 I'm going to provide. That's okay, fine. Now we can execute this. Now it is using like what their auto increment here internally. Inserted successfully. Not here. Now here we have to open like what there. Select a star from EMP10. Now here we are getting the data. So depends on that internal database supported algorithm, then it able to provide like what there, it able to take the content. Right, sir. Okay. Next one is after completion of this, then what next one here we have to do there after understanding this. we have to go for another algorithm. Then this native algorithm is completed here. On database, on Oracle database, it will select what there, select that means sequence. But in like what there, MySQL database, if we take no identity algorithm, it has taken there. That's okay, fine. Then after that, another one here we have to understand like what there, UUID algorithm, guys. Then another one here we have to understand like what there, UUID. What is it, UUID? UUID is like what there, universal unique identity. Universal unique identity. Okay, universally unique identity. Okay, fine. What it able to do? No, it is able to generate IP address. It is able to generate primary key value on the basis of system IP address, comma, JVM startup time, comma, current system time, and so on. And so on these factors. Next one is it able to generate primary key value. It able to generate primary key value in the form of 32-bit hexadecimal value. It able to generate primary key value on the basis of what there, primary 32-bit primary key value, 32-bit hexadecimal primary key value, hexadecimal value as a primary key. Right, sir? It is able to generate primary key value. It is able to generate primary key value. It is able to generate primary key value on the basis of the string type. The data type is like what this string data type here we are able to use. Then what is the short name here? It's a short name is like what there, UUID. It's a short name is what there, UUID, and its a class name is what there. Its class name is what there, arg dot hibernate dot id dot UUID hexa generated. Its class name is what there, arg dot hibernate dot id dot UUID hexa generated. Okay, understand it, guys? What I'm telling there. All right, sir. It doesn't require any input parameter. No, just we have to understand. It doesn't require what their input parameter. Okay. Right. Now let's see this point here. Example here I want to show that. Try to understand it now. First of all, let me prepare my database now with the employee ID. Here I want to create that is 32-bit. The size should be like what is the 32-bit. Now let's see this one. Create a table EMP10. First of all, let us check this clearly. EMP10 table is existed here. Now here I want to drop table EMP10 table dropped here. All right. Next one is what there. I want to commit it now. Now okay. Now create a table EMP10 where employee ID I want to take there varchar 2 of not like 32-bit. Now just I want to take like what there 35. Size care I want to take comma. It's a primary key of course. Comma e name varchar 2 E shall float of 5 comma EIDDR where carry 2 of 10 commit. Now the string type here we required now. Right. Now what changes we required here in our database there? First of all here we are using Oracle database. Now. Let me comment like what there. Oracle database here I'm using there. So Oracle I am activated. After this Oracle database, then what next one here we provided there? Understand this? After this Oracle database, no. Now here we provided EMP10 table. Okay. Now this is not like ENO. Let's see EID, EID, not native here. UUID. Okay. Right, sir. UUID. Then what next one here? After understanding this UID, parameters we require. We don't require any parameters here. Apart from this, but here what we have to change there? It should be like what there? Property. EID. Okay. Now after carefully, now everything here we change it here. The next one is like what there? We have to execute the program. Now inserted successfully, then we can check there in the database now. Select star from EMP10. Observe carefully. Now this is like what there? Primary key value here we can understand. Now I want to insert one more record. I want to insert one more record here. Now what I will do there? Let me export this. Right, sir. Executed here. We are able to see this point. Now this is like what there? Change it. This is different one. On the basis of the system IP address and current like what the system date and JVM startup time. On the basis of all the things here, we are getting it down. Then up to this part is okay, but here change is available. From this point onward, changes are available. Right. Now this is like what there UUID algorithm. This is one part. Okay. So next one is after completion of this point here. Next algorithm is like what there GUID. GUID is the next algorithm. What is this GUID? Right, sir. It is able to provide the primary key value. It's able to provide the primary key value on the basis of underlying database provided identity column with a string type. Okay, its class name is what there arg dot hibernate dot id dot GUID generator. Its class name is what there arg dot hibernate dot id dot GUID generator. Short name is GUID. Its a short name is GUID. Okay, right. Then after that, which databases are supporting this one? If you observe this, I think very less number of databases are supported here, but which is not supported by both Oracle and as well as like what there and MySQL. All right, right. Observe carefully. Let me check this now whether it is supported or not. GUID. I want to delete them. Select a star from EMP1, not EMP1, EMP10. No records are available. GUID, just we provided GUID. Let me check this. But it is not like identity column, right? We require identity column. There we are going to get some exception, I think. So inserted successfully. Yes, nice. Okay, let us check this. What values can we are able to get now? Yeah, exactly. Generally, it's able to use a similar kind of thing, but it's under the what there GUID. Identity column it required here, but even without identity column, it is working now. Anyway, it's working there, but here we required what there 32-bit hexadecimal value. Yeah, don't worry. Then I'll check this. Then how it is going to be happen, I'll discuss it clearly. Right. This is another point here. Okay. Right. So then almost all the mechanisms here we completed here. Then another one is like what there foreign mechanism. What is this actually? What it able to generate now? It is able to generate a primary key value on the basis of foreign table, foreign key, on the basis of the foreign key of the present table. If you have any some other table foreign key is available on the basis of that key, it is able to generate some primary key value. It is able to generate primary key values of the data types. It is able to generate primary keys of the data types like what data types can know, like we can understand short, int, long, and so on. Right, sir. What is the short name you know? It's short name is like what they're foreign. It's a short name is like what they're foreign. and its class name is what there? Class name is arg dot hibernate dot id dot foreign generator. Okay, right. Now these are about like what I'm telling you clearly, the context. Anyway, then these concepts like programmatic way is not required here, but that is totally depending on like what they it's totally depending on the primary key, foreign key columns between two database tables that what we are providing there. On the face of the Tony, here we are getting not required maximum, not going to utilize it there, but we are not going to require this particular content. But as of now, then what exactly the content here I discussed here, all these are like what their primary key generation algorithms. Totally here we are getting like what their primary key generation algorithms here we are getting clearly. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Then tomorrow I will go for annotation support for this primary key generation algorithms. Annotation support for primary key generation algorithms I will use. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Then we will see the remaining part tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the annotation support. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.